This is the elevator at the Hale Center at Robert Morris University in Boone Township, Pennsylvania. And it is a Dover Oildraulic elevator with impulse fixtures installed by Marshall. There's a lock up there. Up to 3. And here we go. Notice how we got both traditional fire service but impulse fixtures. I guess the fire service was added like not long after it was installed or something. I guess there's one of these fire service less impulses. Oh, the buzz didn't sound that time. That's weird. Here, 3. Back down to 1. And we'll do the impulse store close button this time. Non-ADA phone. Basic fake quick ring cab. Definitely from probably the early 90s, but then the fire service was probably added like a couple years later. Someone scratched R and U. I got 1. The buzz sounded all 3 times this time, or 2 times I mean. Vibrating door operator. Yeah, closing that's gonna be.